Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly on how to add a new domain in Hostinger step by step using the latest 2025 interface. Whether you're creating a brand new website or expanding your online presence, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. So let's get right into it. First, log into your Hostinger account using your credentials. Once you're inside, you'll be on the hPanel dashboard. This is where all your hosting and domain tools are located. Next, on the left sidebar or main menu, find the Watch Out Domains Genau section. Click on it and it'll take you straight to Hostinger's domain management area. This is where you can see all your registered domains, manage DNS settings, renew domains, or add new ones. Inside the domain section, click on a domain portfolio. This is your control center for everything domain related. At the top of this page, you'll see a button or option that says Add New Domain. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll be given two choices. You can either purchase a brand new domain or connect a domain you already own from another registrar. For this tutorial, we'll focus on buying a new one directly through Hostinger. Click on Search and purchase a new domain. Enter the name you'd like for your website. For example, yourbusinessname.com, and then hit Search. Hostinger will instantly check if that domain is available. If the domain name you want is already taken, don't worry. Hostinger will suggest similar alternatives or other extensions like .net, .org, or .co. Once you find the one that fits your brand, click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Now complete the purchase process by following Hostinger's secure payment steps. You can use your preferred payment method, and the checkout only takes a minute or two. Once the payment is confirmed, Hostinger will automatically register the domain for you. And that's it. You've successfully added a new domain to your Hostinger account. Now you're ready to launch your next website, online store, or project under your own professional domain name. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Hostinger and website tutorials, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.